So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished doing a repair here on this faucet. So it's a master bathroom faucet on the left. There's a faucet on the right. One note, we did notice that you can see the corrosion around the bottom here. Also underneath the sink, there's some water getting by somehow. Can't tell you how. All I know is it's corroding up in there. I'm not going to take a picture of it, but the mounting nut and then the bracket that operates this lift lever down there, it's scaled up. No act of leaking, but there was something going on there. That's not part of the scope of work. What we have done, there was two valves down here. Hot was leaking. These were the plastic push-on, pull-off valves, or vice versa. And so it's just dripping. They're integrated supply lines and shutoff valves, so homeowner opted to replace both sides. They've remodeled in other bathrooms, and they've already changed out the shutoff valves and supply lines, so they're good for most of the house. So that's our work there. Just took it apart, brand new, got everything cleaned up. Brand new ProFlow quarter turn shutoff valve. It's 5/8 compression, or OD, by 3/8 compression, or 3/8 OD. And then a brand new 3/8 by 1/2 inch by 20 inch Fluid Master braided stainless steel supply. That's all we use. Pretty good track record with these guys, so we keep using them. Hot and cold, both same side. So that's the scope of work in here. We'll replace the shutoff valves, the supply lines, monitor anything else for leaking, the trap and the tailpiece, stuff like that. But like I say, you've got something going on, and just maybe we'll take a little tiny bit of a picture just so you know what we're talking about up there. And like I say, no active water leaking, but if you do look up in here, let's see, I can't see it from this side, unfortunately, but you can see the scale, the greenish scum on the bottom of that little square housing right there. And then the mounting bracket, of course, my camera is on the left side of my phone, so it's not going to get a good picture from there. So let's just take a picture from the other side. So at least you've got a documentation of it. You'll get a copy of this video, or at least a link to it on YouTube. And so let's give you a real good shot of that. So up in there you can see the scale. See if I can steady my hand here, but okay. So there you go. There's the mounting nut. You can see the corrosion around there, up inside, up around the ring, whatnot, and then down to this second part right here. And like I say, nothing active right now. It's not focusing right now, but nothing active, but something was going on, or is currently, I don't know. Anyways, that's what we were talking about earlier. And let's get out of here. Outside of that, this installation is done.